Here's family. Mother Nature at her best, you know. Mother Nature at her best. And that's me and my fishing rod. You know. Mother Nature family. Nice place to be by the waterside. It's a wonderful place, when I lie. It's beautiful. Today, come on the water, but guess what? You know why I'm there? I sit down and I look and I pay attention to them things, you know. These are the people pay attention. You know. We get this to enjoy, right? Mother Nature at its best. We get all of this to enjoy. But they still have some people, brother. Look at them do. Look at all the plastic. Look at all this. You know, people come and fish. And they just throw them, just leave them stuff right here. I'm gonna say, no, let me take it home. Let me take home them thing. And while we are, what is this, people? What is this little thing right here? Anybody know what is this? What is this? See it earlier, I know. What is this little thing right here, people? What is this? What is this little animal right here? This mama. It's trying to hide. Fur is pretty. It's a baby, whatever it is, some baby, something. What's that, people? What's that? See that? You don't know where you're going to see out when you come out here daytime. What is that? Like you try to dig it in the sand. You know what? It's not a rat, family. It's not a rat. Yeah. It's part being out in the wild, you know. You never know where you can see. But look at so. Buckle, plastic, all about them things hurt me in the family. You know, these are what they get the bait out of, the anchovy bags. You know, people just leave them garbage everywhere. Look at people. Look, and breeze blow, you know where they might end up? Right on the river. Look at all of that. Some people have no respect for Mother Nature, man. No respect. No respect for Mother Nature. No love, no respect. You know, just come and just left them bag. Yeah? You know, put in your car and go on with it, man, and leave the place nice and clean. So if I bring some tank, come and come clean them up. I'm going to come clean them up and put them in a bag. I'm going to come clean up the place, yeah. And that me do, you know. Yeah, man. So, Mother Nature is nice, but you have some of us human beings. Destructive. Destructive, very destructive, and just don't not care. You don't care about the next man. You don't care about the next generation. You know much plastic in the river right here? You know much plastic in here? Enough in a family. So we can clean up the place. Throw no plastic, throw no window. You go a river, carry the thing, brother. Carry the garbage, carry it away, take it away from the ocean and the river. You know what I say? To the place. So I sit down. So I sit down here now, I show them my view. So I sit down here that I look on. Nice view. So all if me not catch no fish, me just chill. Seeing? Big up behind himself. Coming from the woodshed, Jamaican Carlos, out there.